Hi,
Hi,
how are you?
I am fine, thanks, and you?
I am very well, thank you. What is your name?
My name is Lizzie, and what is your name?
My name is Samir. Where are you from?
I am from Argentina, and you?
I am from India.
Where are you living?
I am living in London, and you?
I am living Manchester.
It is very nice city. Are you here for the first time?
Yes, I have never been here before.
How long have you been here?
For 3 months.
Do you like this place?
Yes, this place is really good.
Would you like to live abroad?
Why not?
What are you going to do tomorrow?
Well, I think I will be free.
So we can meet.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I am. What about going to the restaurant?
That would be great. What did you do yesterday?
I went to work. Then I went to the park.
How do you usually spend your free time?
I usually learn English or watch something on YouTube. Do you work or study?
I study.
Where do you study?
I study at university. Do you work or study?
I work.
Where do you work?
I work for an international company.
Oh, nice. By the way, I am late for the bus. I have to go now. Then shall we meet tomorrow morning?
Yes, of course.
I will come at 9 o'clock.
That time is very good.
Bye, see you soon.